Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wanted to make a pleated skirt but felt intimidated by all the folding and measuring, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through how to sew a simple pleated skirt step by step, in a way that's easy for beginners to understand. Let's get started. To make a pleated skirt, you'll need fabric, preferably light to medium weight, a measuring tape, fabric chalk or marker, pins, a sewing machine or hand needle, an iron. This is very important. And finally, a waistband fabric, zipper, or elastic depending on your design. First, take your body measurements. Measure your waist, hips, and desired skirt length. For pleats, your fabric width should be about 2.5 to 3 times your waist measurement. This extra fabric is what creates the pleats. Cut your fabric using your skirt length plus extra inches for seam allowance and hemming. Next, decide how wide you want each pleat to be. 1 to 2 inches works well for beginners. Using your fabric chalk, mark the pleat fold line and the underfold line across the fabric. Make sure the spacing is even. Neat marking is the secret to neat pleats. Now fold the fabric along your markings. All pleats should face the same direction. Pin each pleat in place from top to bottom, then press them firmly with an iron. This step gives your skirt that clean, professional look. Once pressed, sew a straight line across the top of the skirt to secure the pleats. Next, place the fabric right sides together and sew the side seam. If you're adding a zipper, remember to leave space for it. You have 2 options here. For a structured look, attach a waistband and insert a zipper at the side or back. For a casual and beginner-friendly option, fold the top edge to create a casing and insert elastic. Both options work beautifully. Choose what suits your style. Finish by hemming the bottom of the skirt. Fold the edge twice, stitch neatly, and give the skirt one final press from top to bottom to sharpen the pleats. And that's how you sew a pleated skirt from start to finish. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. See you next time.